Hello students, welcome back to the channel of ICSE Concepts by Mukesh Sir's Group Tuitions. This is the third lecture on banking. We solved few more questions. The formulas I hope we had done in the last lecture. Interest is P into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100, and the maturity value is Pn plus P into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. So we solve few more questions today. So check out this question. Akansh had a recurring deposit account in a bank. He deposits rupees 2500 per month for 2 years. If he gets rupees 66250 at the time of maturity, find the interest paid by the bank and the rate of interest. So come on, let's solve this question now. Say deposited rupees 2500 per month. So the value of P here is rupees 2500. N is equal to 2 years, so it's 2 into 12. You want in months. 2 years is equal to 2 into 12, that becomes 24 months, right? And he gets 66250 at the time of maturity. Means here this is the value of the maturity amount. You can say maturity value is rupees 66,250, right? Your question is find the interest paid by the bank. Now you know the maturity value is equal to the sum invested plus the interest, right? So maturity value 66,250 is equal to, now tell me what is the sum invested. Sum invested means कितना पैसा उसने भरा है. That's 2500 per month for 2 years. So total amount invested, total amount paid to the bank is 2500 into 24. So that's going to be 2500 into 24 plus the interest, right? So we have to calculate the interest. So first we calculate 2500 into 24. So this value 24 into 2500 on multiplication, this becomes 60,000. So you can say 66,250 is equals to 60,000 plus the interest. So the interest will be 66,250 minus 60,000. So when you subtract 66,000 minus 6250, the amount comes to rupees 6250. This is one of your answer, right? So the interest paid is equal to rupees 6250. You also have to find the rate of interest. Now use the interest formula. The formula to find the interest was what was the formula? It was P n into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100, right? So the interest amount was 6250 is equals to P. P value was how much? The value of P was rupees 2500 into n. N is 24 into n plus 125 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100, right? Now you can do cancellations here. So check out the cancellations. What do you get cancelled here? 2 into 24 gets cancelled completely, right? So that gets cancelled. 2 into 24 gets cancelled, and this also gets cancelled. 2 zeros also gets cancelled. So what is left out here is 6250 is equals to 25 into 25, that's 625 into R. So you can cross multiply, therefore R is equals to 6250 upon 625. So R is equals to 10%. So you can say therefore the rate of interest paid by the bank is 10%, right? So the rate of interest is 10% and the interest paid by the bank was rupees 6250. These are the two answers. 6250 is the interest and rate of interest is 10%. Clear to all? Let's solve the next question. Priyanka has a cumulative time deposit account in State Bank of India. She deposits rupees 500 per month for a period of 4 years. 4 years. If at the time of maturity she gets rupees 28,410, find the rate of interest. So you have to find the rate of interest here. Now she deposits rupees 500 per month for a period of 4 years. So let's start the solution here. Priyanka has a cumulative time deposit in the State Bank of India. So P value is equal to how much? Rupees 500. Principal, the amount deposited per month is 500 for a period of 4 years. 4 years means how many months? 4 into 12. That's going to be 48 months. Right? At the time of maturity, she gets rupees 28,410. So uska maturity value is given as rupees 28,410. You want to find the rate of interest again here. We use maturity formula. Maturity value formula is P into N plus P into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. You can substitute the values here. So that's 28,410 equals to P into N is 500 into 48 plus 500 into 48 into 49 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100, right? So first we multiply 500 into 48. So that becomes 24,000. And here you can do cancellations. So let's check what cancellations are possible. This gets cancelled. 2 and 12 is 24 gets cancelled. 2s are. And these two zeros also gets cancelled. Right? So what you have here is 28,410. 28,410 is equals to 50 into 48. So here 50 into 48 comes out to 24,000, right? So you can write 24,000 plus, इसमें after cancellation you get 5 into 2 is 10. You will get 5 into 2 is 10. 10 into 49 is 490. That's going to be 490 R. So you can write plus 490 R. Clear? Now shift that 24,000 on that side. So 28,410 minus 24,000. So 28,410 minus 24,000 gets subtracted. You get 410 is equals to 490 R. Or you can say R is equal to 4410 upon 490. So again you do cancellation, 0 0 gets cancelled. This gets cancelled by 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 5s are 30. 7 6 are 42. And 7 3s are 21. 7 gets cancelled, 9s are. So you get R is equal to 9%, right? So you can write the final answer. Therefore, the rate of interest given by the bank is equals to 9%. Rate of interest given by the bank is equals to 9%. Clear? So that's the answer. Find the rate of interest pucha. Done. Let's solve the next question, the last question. Mr. Gupta opened a recurring deposit account in a bank. He deposited rupees 2500 per month. He deposited rupees 2500 per month. So let's have the solution here. He deposited rupees 2500 per month. So the amount invested per month is rupees 2500. That's the value of P for 2 years. 2 years is N is equals to 2 into 12. That becomes 24 months. And at the time of maturity, he got 67,500 rupees. So the maturity value is equals to rupees 67,500, right? Find the total interest earned by Mr. Gupta and the rate of interest per annum. So your maturity value is equals to P into N, the sum invested, plus the interest value. So this will give the interest first. So 67,500 is equals to 2,500 into 24. This is the amount invested, plus the remaining amount is the interest. Clear? So when you multiply 24 into 2,500, you get 60,000 here. So you get 67,500 is equal to 60,000 plus the interest value. So you can shift that 60,000 on that side, it gets subtracted. So 67,000 minus 60,000 becomes 7,500. So you can write that for the interest paid by the bank. Interest paid by the bank is equal to rupees 7,500, right? So interest paid is equal to rupees 7,500. Clear? So you got the interest. Now you want the rate of interest per annum. So you want the value of R. So now we use interest formula. So formula for interest is equals to P into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. So 7,500 is equals to P. P is 2,500 into N is 24 into 24 plus 1 is 25 upon 2 into 12, that's again 24 into R upon 100. So you can do cancellations here. So you can see that 2 and 12 gets cancelled with this 24, and these two zeros gets cancelled with these two zeros, right? So what do you have? 7,500 is equals to 25 into 25 into R. 25 into 25 into R. So I can write that for 7,500 is equals to the terms left after cancellation is 25 into 25 into R. So this becomes 7,500 upon 25 into 25 is equals to R, right? So again you can cancel. 25 gets cancelled, 3s are 75, so you have 300, and upon 25, so 25 again gets cancelled. 25 1s are, or 25 12s are. 25 into 12 is 300. So your final answer comes out R is equal to 12%. So we can say therefore the rate of interest paid by the bank is equals to 12%, rate of interest paid by the bank is equals to 12%. Clear? So the interest paid by the bank was rupees 7,500, then rate of interest was 12%. So these are the type of questions you solve for banking. Thank you so much.